In this video, I'm going to be talking about websites that you can be using to make money online. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about different websites that you can use to make money online. But before I get into that, I just want to welcome you to my channel. And if you're new here, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that out of the way, I'm going to be talking about a few different websites that you can use to start earning money online today. So the first website I'm going to be discussing is Textbroker. So if you like to write content, then I suggest going with this website to start earning money online. But just to be clear, this website is available only in the United States. But the way that this website works is you go to the top area where it says I write content, then you sign up to be an author, and then you just fill out your information. And what you're going to do is you're going to submit a free writing sample. The reason for this is because they're going to rate your writing quality on a star system. So the higher the star rating you get for your writing skills, the more you make per word. And if you're curious on how much you get paid based off of your writing skills, you can just simply click on the section where it says payment, and it will show you how much you can get paid per word. So if you check it out, you can see that you get paid 1 cent per word if you have a 3-star rating, which is pretty average. But you'll notice that if you have a 5-star rating, you get paid 5 cents per word. So this really adds up if you're serious about writing. So the way that it works when it comes to writing articles or documents through this website is that people post jobs for articles that they want written out for them. And you can just go through the list of what job you want to pick. Once you accept the job, you get about a 48-hour deadline to complete it. And once you do that, you get paid. So the next website that you can use to earn money online is through Teespring. So I would recommend this for those of you who have some kind of experience with graphic design and you have some kind of creative skills that you want to use to earn money. So if you have an original idea that you would think would look good on a t-shirt, coffee mug, sweaters, or even socks, you can use this website to earn a good amount of money. If there are any people who like your designs, you can easily make a lot of sales through this site. So in order to get started, all you have to do is go to their site, click on the top right corner where it says Start Designing. You create your account and you create your design. You pick what you want your design to go on. And you can use their website to start selling your products. Now this is a great website to create products that are focused on a specific niche. Many people will buy products off of this website that they won't find in major brand stores. So when somebody buys your product, say for an example, a t-shirt, the people at Teespring print out that shirt and they ship it to the customer. So you don't even have to worry about stocking up on inventory. The next website that you can start earning money from online is through Shutterstock. So if you like photography, you might enjoy using Shutterstock to make money online, because this website allows you to earn money by selling photos, vectors, and even footage. The way you make money is by earning a commission every time somebody buys the rights to use your photos or your footage. So to sign up for Shutterstock, you have to look for the button that says sign up to be a contributor. Sometimes it's on the top right or all the way on the bottom of the homepage. You just have to look for it. Then you have to sign up and you can start selling your content. So there's a lot of people who use this site to buy images to use in their blogs. So if you can consistently get photos of people having fun, or animal pictures, or scenery, you can make a decent amount of money just by selling photos. So the next website you can use to start earning money is through Teachable. So what Teachable is an online platform you can use to start selling courses. So if you have a particular skill or knowledge in a certain area that you think people would pay money to learn, You can create courses and sell those courses to people who are willing to learn that particular skill or subject. And Teachable allows you to host your own online course. So you don't have to worry about creating your own website in order to sell courses. So the course that you would create would be video based, kind of similar to how YouTube is when you have a playlist that you go through. So usually people would have a series of videos that would teach other people how to do something step by step, like how to build a website, how to lose body fat, how to draw like a professional, anything that's similar to that. The good thing about Teachable is that they handle the payment method, so you don't even have to worry about figuring out how you're going to accept payments. So basically you just go to their website, you sign up, you create your course, and you upload your videos, and people can start enrolling in your course, and you make money. Now the fifth website that you can use to start earning money online is through Clickbank. So this is affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing is just simply referring people to a certain product, and every time a person that you refer buys that product, you make a commission. And with this website, Clickbank, it allows you to promote a wide range of affiliate products. Whether you're looking to promote health and fitness products, making money online courses, relationships, or sports, this website allows you to do so. The best part about this website is that it's free to sign up and you can start promoting products right away. So whatever category you're looking to promote, all you have to do is just go through the category and look at the products that they have available that you can start promoting today. If you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a free ebook download in the description that you can check out called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book does is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote and also the platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate offers on. And if you're looking for my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online, you can check out the link in the top of the description. So I hope you guys learned something new today, and if you got value out of this video today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you guys think. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.